Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. As promised, we will be sharing the actual selection of stocks using the sorting we did last week. The first on the list is SMC. Looking at the PER, value is 0 and has dropped in our list. Second stock is LTG, its PER is 4.48, and is our number one candidate for buying since it has the lowest non-zero PER in our list. Looking at its DTE, I set a 5.5 threshold for the selection and it passed. It is also a dividend-paying stock. We will invest on this number one stock in our list. The third stock on the list is AGI. Looking at DTE, it is below the 5.5 threshold but is not a dividend-paying stock. We will skip this stock for this buying. The fourth stock is DMC. It has a 1.31 DTE, which is below 5.5 threshold, and is a very good dividend-paying stock, giving away 11% cash dividend this year, signaling that it is a low-valued stock. We will invest in this stock. The fifth stock on the list is MEG, having a DTE of 0.81, and a dividend-paying stock for the year 2019. We can invest in this stock. GT Cap is our sixth stock which has a DTE of 1.0, a less risky investment. It paid 1.55% cash dividend this year, and we will decide to invest in this stock. Our seventh stock to check is SECB, where its DTE scores 4.83, which is below our 5.5 threshold. It is a consistent dividend-paying stock, therefore, we can safely invest in this stock. We have chosen our target 5 magical stocks. They are: number 1, LTG, number 2, DMC, number 3, MEG, number 4, GT Cap, and number 5, SECB. Let's now plan to buy it. First, we list the stocks and get the current price. As planned, each stock must be invested by 30,000 pesos. Therefore, we divide 30,000 by the current stock price. The result will not actually be the exact number of shares to buy but should be closed in this value since there are limitations in the number of shares due to board lot. The actual buying is listed here, where the actual shares, purchase price, purchase amount and purchase date is indicated. The indicator here was the P&L last October 15th closing. This is our last day of buying for the month of October. We are already gaining in most of the stocks except for GT Cap. After completing just 1 week of investing using our magical stocks, here is our profit and loss. We are gaining 12% in P&L where our number one stock, LTG, really was the number one, gaining 31% in just 1 week. We are ready to take profit in stocks gaining 30% higher. We will apply the technical know-how in taking profit which will be discussed once we sell this stock and take profit. This is one of the twists that we are making in the magic formula as our own magical stocks. Meanwhile, let us show you the trend of our number one pick, LTG. It soars from our buying of 9.96 to 13 pesos per share. A number one stock indeed. Looking at the trend of our portfolio, it increases by more than 12%. Magic Formula wants us to hold on this stock for 1 year and we will twist this recommendation as discussed. Next week, we will discuss the effectiveness of the magic formula using the difference between the index and the portfolio. We will also show the update in our portfolio for the current week. Quote, "The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect." Warren Buffett. If you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or simply like to monitor the effectiveness of our system, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. See you next week. Have a great day ahead.